Hey guys, it's Jimmy, just touching base with you. It's a wrap. We're done. We're over here at 719 Seacliff in Camino South. I've got my man Oscar right here. Oscar basically has done the entire house with the exception of the tile guy and the granite guy, and we did have a plumber come out and do some things. So I want to first give a shout out to Oscar. Oscar, he can do it all. I mean, there's his truck, there's his number if you need him, okay? Oscar does everything from painting to power washing to fences to, I mean, there's an assortment of things. Is that the right word? There's an assortment of things that he can do, and he's done it all. So if you need somebody from A to Z, Oscar is your guy. He's reliable, dependable, gets there on time, stays late. When it comes to getting it done, he gets it done. So shout out to my man Oscar. If you're looking for somebody, he's your man. So thank you, Oscar. Appreciate you for getting this all taken care of. Now let's go take a look inside and see what all's going down, and we're going live tomorrow, okay? So you're gonna see we power washed the house, which Oscar did. We painted the house. It was a dark brown. We went with more of a brown that matches the brick. Let's go take a look inside. So honestly, I don't think you're going to be able to find a house in the entire, I mean, I could be wrong, in the entire subdivision that's been as updated as this. You've got 6 by 36 inch tiles on the floor everywhere except for the bedrooms. Bedrooms all have carpet. We've got all new lighting, all new doorknobs. So here in the living room, we painted the fireplace. It is a gas fireplace. We painted the inside of the fireplace also. As you can see, it's crisp and clean. You come into the kitchen area, we've opened this up. We mentioned this in a previous video. We do now have our vent hood in, okay? So we've got stainless steel vent hood, stainless steel gas range, undermount sink. We've got quartz. We kept the existing cabinets, painted that a dovetail gray as I mentioned previously. We've got knobs. These fixtures, simple, these are from Lowe's. 2-inch blinds throughout the entire house, so every window is covered. We kept the existing double oven here. The washroom is in the house, so you can go electric dryer, you can go gas dryer. So that'll work well for you. If we swing around here on this side, we don't have to go in here necessarily. We've got the dining room. Let's go out to the backyard too, real quick. I want to follow up on the electrical panel box. We talked about this in one of the first videos. We had an FPE box, which they're out of business now. We've changed the box to the house. It's a General Electric box. I did have my electrician come out and do that. So one of the things that's important if you're gonna change a box or have an electrician change a box is have the city come out and inspect it. So this is a GE box, brand new. It has been labeled. It was put in and it was inspected this last week. We did also put a sleeve on this where the power comes into the meter. So that's important because this was exposed. You'll also see we cleaned out the backyard. We kept the one tree. We've got fencing everywhere. We changed one exterior light on the end. We changed an exterior light on up here. We've got now a gate. So previously this yard was not fenced at all. Let's go back in here. Come on through. So we've got, remember this is a 4-bedroom, two bath house, built in 1971. So let's go into the master bedroom, sorry. So the good thing about this house is all the closets, even in the secondary bedrooms, are walk-in closets. Obviously this is the master, so it's the biggest one, but the other 3 bedrooms do have walk-in closets. We put LED lights in here to make it nice and bright. Oscar and them painted all this. They stained the rods again. Master bath, a little tight, you know, it's an older house, that's how they were built. We did put the same quartz in here, undermount sink here, new faucets, new mirror, new lights. Come check out this shower. Tile guy did a fantastic job. So we've got the accent pieces in there. The other thing is we put in all new toilets. I think it's important to put in all new toilets because no one wants to sit on a toilet that someone else was sitting on. So We'll take a peek back here. And here's the thing, if any of you guys want to take a look at the house, whether you're an agent or an individual, just reach out to me and we can make it happen. But we will be going live tomorrow. Let's come in here. So instead of going through every bedroom, basically they're all the same color. Ceiling fan with the oil rub bronze. We've got the blinds in the windows. Here's the secondary bath. Take a peep in there. So we've got all new tile, brand new bathtub, new toilet, new towel bars, new fixtures, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so this thing is moving, ready for whoever is going to be buying this. We've got new thermostat on the wall. We've got a new doorbell on the wall. So we think this is going to be a great house for anybody who's probably an entry-level buyer or a retiree. So look, you get a chance, look tomorrow, 719 Seacliff. We're really excited about this house. We will be having an open house this weekend. I believe we're doing it on Sunday, but we will be posting that online at har.com. We will also be listing the house 2 houses down as a result here in the next week also. It'll be a slightly different price point, but it is almost identical floor plan to this. So this has been a great ride. When we get to the end of this, we'll kind of give you some final numbers so you guys can get an idea. We do already have a house in Pasadena that's been purchased, and we have one under contract in Channelview. So we're going to be doing videos there too, and just keep riding with us. And every house is going to be a little different. So we're looking forward to it. And thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.